I am acting as, my name is Emmanuel. I am acting as a representative from Domino's Pizza, and then I'm contracting you to do our next flyer advert design. So I want you to design a flyer for our burger. I want to sell our burger. I want to keep it trending on social media, and want to watch you. I want to watch the process as well, how you design and you come out with everything. So tell us your name and then carry on.
My name is Purisima. How I designed my burger was I came to rectangle to an end of the day, and then show the box, and then you import your picture.
So you tell us the shortcut you're using to import your pictures.
The shortcut I used to import my picture was Control I.
Okay.
And then I'll drag the border down. And then I'll use my colorful eye. After that, I'll go to my picture and then increase the size of the border. And then I'll go to my text and write great. And then I'll go to my picture and make it inside the box. And I'll go to my text weapon and write over. And I'll go to my shape to close the gap. Century cut.
Alright, so that's the wonderful one. Everybody put your hands together for